Thanks for joining me to learn about the life and AD&D insurance coverage that United Healthcare and Quest Events are making available to you. A life insurance plan provides for your family after you're gone. Do you think you have enough coverage to protect your family? I hope this brief presentation outlining the benefits available will help you in making that decision. You can use the icons below and the Contents tab on the left side of your screen to navigate the presentation. You'll also see a tab for attachments, where you can view and print additional plan information. Let's start by talking about the importance of life insurance. Whether you're young or older, single or married, have children or don't, take a few minutes to consider how life insurance enters into your financial plans. As you can see on the slide, there are a lot of things to consider. Do you have enough to take care of everyday living expenses for your loved ones if you pass away? How will your family pay for final expenses and any outstanding debts? Do you have a plan in place to pay for your children's education and possibly job retraining for your spouse? These are just some of the financial obligations you leave behind. According to statistics, 4 in 10 households with children under 18 say they would immediately have trouble meeting everyday living expenses if a primary wage earner died today. One of the most important things about life insurance is the financial peace of mind it gives to you and your loved ones. These are just some of the reasons that your employer is making this coverage available to you. Your employer provides at no cost to you employee basic life and AD&D insurance in the amount of $25,000. And during this time, you also have the opportunity to buy additional life insurance coverage. During this enrollment period, you have the opportunity to buy supplemental life insurance coverage at group rates for yourself and your dependents. Premiums can be paid through convenient payroll deduction, and you can choose the coverage amount that best fits your needs. And very importantly, during this enrollment period, you have the opportunity to purchase supplemental coverage on a guarantee issue basis, which I'll discuss a little later in the presentation. Since every employee is different, your employer gives you the opportunity to choose the amount of coverage that best fits your needs. As an eligible employee, you can buy coverage in increments of $10,000 to a maximum of $500,000, but not to exceed 5 times your base annual earnings. If you buy supplemental coverage for yourself, you may also buy coverage for your eligible dependents. You may purchase spouse supplemental life coverage in increments of $5,000 to a maximum of $250,000, but not to exceed 50% of the employee's elected amount. And you may choose to purchase coverage for your dependent children in an amount of $10,000, not to exceed 50% of the employee's elected amount. As I mentioned earlier, you have a chance to buy coverage on a guarantee issue basis. During this enrollment period, if you have never been previously denied coverage, you can sign up for supplemental life insurance without answering any health questions. Eligible employees may elect up to $100,000 in $10,000 increments. You may elect up to $15,000 in $5,000 increments for your spouse, and you may buy $10,000 in coverage for your dependent children. Any amounts requested which are over the guarantee issue limits will require evidence of insurability or proof of good health. Your life insurance plan offers an accelerated death benefit if you're diagnosed as terminally ill with 12 months or less to live. You may receive payment of a portion of your life insurance benefits to use in any way you choose. The life insurance benefit amount will be reduced by the amount paid under the accelerated death benefit. United Healthcare also includes value-added services at no additional cost. These include travel assistance, will and trust preparation, beneficiary services, and an FDIC-insured wealth management account. You can learn more about these services in your plan documents. Your basic and supplemental life insurance plans include AD&D insurance coverage. Accidental death and dismemberment provides benefits due to certain injuries or death from an accident. The covered injuries or death can occur up to 180 days after the accident. The AD&D insurance pays certain percentages of the benefit amount based on the injury sustained. To learn more about your AD&D coverage, please review the schedule of benefits in your benefits summary. All active full-time employees working a minimum of 30 hours per week are eligible to participate in the life and AD&D insurance plans. If you, the employee, purchase coverage for yourself, dependent coverage is available. Dependent children are those between live birth and age 26. It's easy to sign up for coverage, but first you'll want to review your personalized enrollment materials. Once you've decided what coverage best fits your needs, fill out the enrollment form you received and return the signed original to your Human Resources Department. If you want to purchase coverage for your dependents, please make sure you complete the dependent portion of the enrollment form. You must enroll during your initial eligibility or annual enrollment period. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this presentation has been helpful as you make your decision to protect your family's financial future. When you have life insurance, you have peace of mind. Please take a moment to review this important information regarding the United Healthcare Life and AD&D insurance plans available through Quest Events.